Nano maningating tanda, balo mo nung ninong mikibandi. Nano maningating tanda, kapilan man mawala. Ipapadon, anya pong mabinyagya, midinan niyang tanda. Ing tanda na ning krus. Nanong buri ng sabyan, number 1, baluta mo nung nino ing mikibandi kaya. At tune at mi balik ni King Diyos.
And his heart was known to none.
Sundays, bukas, Domingo, potang muli kami ngan king bale kabalansya nalana ka, Papa. Pantunanda ka, ikamingan, you look forward for weekends uling muli langan rendabar cards mo. Kailangan po pa-check ang attendance nung ali manintun niya po at absent ka. Mas magulo kaming dabar cards, mas masayaya.
Simpler fate. He tried to be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't wait. He earned his love.
Sundays will not be the same anymore. Your dabar cards promised you to still go home regularly, especially on Sundays, to remember your love for us. We will also shower love for Mama. We will always be with Mama.
But his blood runs through my instrument.
Na itang lugod. Except siyang barke kami. Masyadong matas. Lalo na kanang po na. Yung masakit mo, yung manatong basta nito. Masaya po may ako'y tatang ko. Kaya beno po rin apo na pupuy kami. Tang, dakala salamat. Botang, kami magkulang kami lugod. Saan ang jangkyan mong paninap, isingan mo kami. Dakala salamat.
They heard another call. One went to Chicago.
Kayo man nasakit king kayang kamatayan. Nung kaluguran. Inyapin po tang mikakawani, tamo ka rin kekatamong kaluguran, nasasaktan tayo. At yung sakit na nararamdaman natin sa puso natin, yun ay testimonya ng pagmamahal.
Kung hindi dahil kay Papa, wala kaming doktor, wala kaming piloto, wala kaming arkitekto, engineer, banker, corporate professionals, dentist, wala kaming kahit ano because He paved the way for us to achieve our dreams. Si Papa din po yung pinaka-proud sa lahat sa amin sa mga achievements ng mga apo niya. Hanggang sa kaya niya, pupunta yan ng MOA, PhilOil, Araneta, para lang mapanood yung mga apo niya mag-basketball. Kahit nga nung liga dyan sa may Zone 6, nanonood na yan. The last words he said to my ate, to my mom and my dad, he said, "Dakala salamat." To which my ate replied, "Halayan dapat pasalamat, Rugo. Ikatamong dapat pasalamat kaya, halayang utang alog kaya katamo."
O titatang Jun, dakalya lagyu, ada na nga usandeng Jun, uli ka nun junior ya, Valeriano ya, ausande pong Hoksu, ati kayong pamilyana, ingaus yu kaya, Papa. potang akit yung lukluka na, akit yung gamit na. They will always remind you of His love, of His care, of His smile. Ka kalingwan, kakung pakamalan, ngeni o kapilan man. Iyo papaburen na ing kayang kamatayan, maging dalan ban misalbag kayo. Iyo papaburen na ing kamatayan, yang maging dalan ban kanita na kayo muli king matuwang bale. Iyo papaburen na ing kayang kamatayan, yang maging dalan ban kanita mikakawani kayo. At antiya mo pong manabilin ngini. Lalong-lalo na kay kayong anak. Eye papaburen ni Mayo. Because the love and the care that you will show to Apo Son will be the love and the care that you will continue to show for him. Apo Son, manabilin niya'y Papa. Ing lugod, masabal, lambis, ay bakit mo karingke kang anak at karingke kang apo. Yang pangadi, lugod, at lambis, aparamdam mo aldoldo kaya. Ing lugod at pakaman, mabiyek aking isip, mabiyek aking puso, era kagan. Do not ask God to take away the pain, because the pain that you experience for the past days, the pain that you experience today, is the testimony of how you love Him.
Even at the time of his death, alam kong kami pa din ang iniisip niya. Kaya nung time na yun, 3 phrases lang ang maririnig mo from us. Those were, I love you, nakala salamat. Ate mo kay pigaganakan, okay kami. Okay ay mama, son kay kami. They say it takes a village to raise a child, and I'd like to think that Papa built that village. And that village raised us. And that village that raised us was built by Papa Don's love.
They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and cry for just a while. 'Cause deep inside this armor,
but always remember, anya nga tsuya paketi king yato. Tiro na kayo nung makananong maging sika naning metong at metong. Tiro na kayo nung makananong maging asyas. Tiro na kayo nung makanano kayong maging posti. Ban kanita po tang ating miraragsake kayo. Ban kanita po tang ating mitutuwag ke kayo. Po tang ating problema ke kayo. Po tang ating dadalanan king metong at metong, ikayo ing maging sandalan.
Di magwawakas hanggang sa dulo ng mundo. Ang kalinga ko'y asahan mo. Kahit pa anong landas ay tatahakin ko, upang tayo'y di magkalayo. Sana'y laging kapiling yan ang aking dalangin. Magpakailanman hindi magbabago
Starbucks, Mamason!
ang sinisigaw.
Papa wants you together. And do not let the death of Papa become the way ban misasalbagan kayo.